Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset Chrome laptop. The first thing you will do is access Google Chrome. There, click on the menu and then click on Settings. Now open the option Reset Settings. Here, tap on Reset Settings to their original defaults. In this pop-up window, you will be able to see what actions will be executed. You can uncheck the box and then click on Reset Settings. With this, Chrome will have been restored to its original values. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.